welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video we're going to do a quick comparison between HitPaw and Remini. Which AI photo enhancer is best for beginners? So first of all, let's just talk what are they doing. First of all, Remini is an AI app known for face enhancement. It's made normally as an app for phones, but it has a web version. And of course, it fixes basically just the blurry selfies and add details and just restores all portraits as well. But HitPaw is an all-in-one photo tool with AI features like object removal, background cleanup, and also face retouch and color correction. So if we're going to talk about the face enhancer, both of them has it, HitPaw and Remini. Remini just has one tab, Auto AI Retouch. But for HitPaw, it's also available with some tweaks. For other AI tools, HitPaw's example has or includes like the background remover or objects and filters and a lot of other stuff. For Remini, it has limited just to face enhancement. For the user interface, Remini of course is mobile friendly and very simple, and it has a web version. For HitPaw, it has clean layout, works on PC and app. As you can see, HitPaw is not like, or Remini is not like the best for the web. For export quality, Remini, it has a watermark, as you can see on the free version. But for HitPaw's example, it has high quality, but free tools only limited. So bits for you, what is it? You can choose Remini if you just want a quick selfie fixer, or you want to restore an old face photo with zero effort. And you can choose HitPaw if you want basically to more creative tools like objects erasing or background blur or editing like a full scene. So as a final verdict, best for fast selfies, it's Remini, and best for full photo control, it is HitPaw. And you can make an example here, try. So you can see, so this is the video or the photo before or picture before, and using as an example Remini, this is how it's become. As you can see, it's a little bit clearer. The dead pixels example is kind of removed, and also it's a little, the picture or selfie was a little bit blurry as example, and it's removed as well. Of course, you'll be able to add some stuff as example if you want to the selfie, but I'm not going through that. And for HitPaw's example, as you can see, you'll find first of all this face model. You'll be able to add some stuff. So do you want to have it soft or soft v2 or sharp, and you'll be able to generate some model like high quality or high fidelity or fast or a lot of other stuff. So you can also add like the denoise model, an example if you want to, animation model if you want to animate an example something, a photo, colorize model, old photo like an example restore, text model. So they have a lot of stuff that you can apply on your picture. You can also, an example, AI upscale it if you want to as well. So again, I'm not going through all or everything in the HitPaw's example. I'm just telling you as an example some stuff about it, and it's totally up to you to come here. And of course, you'll need to upgrade your plan and then keep using it and trying it out. Because an example, if you can see here, for the free privileges, you'll be able to only process 3 times a day and process images watermark, and also no download permission as well. So yeah, that's basically a quick comparison between Remini and HitPaw, which one is better as a AI photo enhancer. So that should be it for me in this video. You can choose for yourself. So thank you for watching and goodbye.